Have you ever recorded a video on your phone only to find out it's too shaky to use? Or find out that your smartphone stabilizer just isn't up to the job to fix your wobbly video? If so, then the app in this video is going to help you. Hi, my name is Des, and in this video we're going to look at an app that can help you stabilize your video. If you've recorded a video, it's a bit shaky and you want to stabilize it, then this app can help you. Before we get started, if you've stumbled across this channel and you've not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and for some extra appreciation, hit the bell icon and you'll get notified when I release new videos. I release videos like this one all the time to help entrepreneurs, businesses, individuals and creators just like yourself get online with video. Right, let's get started. Image stabilization on phones works by stabilizing your lens by some springs when it moves, or optically by enlarging the image and getting rid of the shake on the outside. But sometimes your phone just can't cope. D-Shake is an iOS app that can help you remove some of the extra wobble or shake from your video. Let me open the app and show you how it works. If you're on an Android, there's an app called D-Shake as well in the Play Store. It's made by a different company, but it does the same job. But in this video, we're going to look at the iOS app. So let's jump on the phone. Let me open up the app and show you. D-Shake has a simple user interface. Once you open the app, D-Shake will list all of your folders that your videos are in. Simply select a video. The video will be imported with some defaults already set. The strength will be set to 50%. You can adjust this by moving the slider here. The stabilize rotation will be toggled on, and the wobble suspension will be toggled on as well. At the bottom, you'll see options. This will allow you to change the export bitrate from auto to half. Below the bitrate, you will see export video. It will be set to yes by default. You can change it to no by tapping it. Tap close to exit. If you're happy with the stabilization, then press the red check mark on the top right. You will get the option to replace the original video or save a new video. The grayed out share video option is unstable at the time of recording this video, and the grayed out export to clouds seems to work. Well, that's a brief overview of the D-Shake app. Well, I hope you found this video interesting and informative. If you like this video, consider giving it a thumbs up. Please subscribe so I can deliver more videos just like this one to help entrepreneurs, businesses, individuals and creators just like yourself get online with video. Thanks for watching. Have you ever recorded a video on your phone to find out only to find out? Have you ever recorded a video on your phone to phone? Before we get started, if you've stumbled across this channel and you've not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and for some extra appreciation, hit the bell icon. Speaking too fast. Slow down.